got to say, this was just absolutely fantastic. It was such a breath of release. You know, years ago, like nearly a decade ago, I had an experience where afterwards I felt like God was impressing me again and again and again, write this book, write this book, write this book. And I finally shook my fist at the heavens and said, you know what? I'm too scared to do it. Okay. So I'm not going to. Just deal with it. And he said, okay, that's fine. Carry on. And I've felt ever since constant yearnings, great desires to write, even watched Little Women and felt the tears because she got her book out and mine was still stuck. Well, a friend of mine, a really good friend, a few years ago, turned me on to your method. I tried a little bit of it on my own. Part of it came out, but it really took this deep immersion to finally let it roll, to remove the dam, to break the dam and let the floods go. And so I'm both fascinated by the method and deeply grateful that you have done the hard, arduous work of going through the process and then creating the conditions for growth to accelerate. And I'm just deeply grateful. Thank you, Tom. Thank you, Janelle. Thanks for everyone who's here.